Hi everyone and welcome to my introduction course to Blender 3D. In this course I am going to take you through the basics of Blender. We'll explore Blender interface, navigation, modeling, texturing and a lot more. Now let's start with what's Blender. Blender is a free and open source 3D creation tool that supports a wide range of 3D workflows, including modeling, animation, rendering, and compositing. It's a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of projects, from simple 3D models to complex animations and films. But why we want to learn Blender, or why learn Blender? There are many reasons why you might want to learn Blender. Let's explore a few of them. Blender is a free and open source, so you can download it and use it for any purpose without having to pay any fees. Blender is a powerful tool that can be used to create a wide variety of 3D content. Blender has a large and active community of users, so you can easily find help and support if you need it. Not only that, Blender is really a powerful tool. You can use it for even image editing, video editing, audio editing without the need to pay any fees. What will I learn in this course? In this course you will learn the basics of Blender, including how to navigate the Blender interface, how to create and edit 3D models, how to texture and material your 3D models, how to animate your 3D models, how to render your 3D models. Now let's move to what do I need to get started. To get started with this course, you will need a computer with a decent graphics card and RAMs, a copy of Blender, mouse and keyboard with a numpad, because you will need the numpad for shortcuts. It's going to be very helpful when you work with Blender. Now let's start with installing Blender. As you can see on my screen, I am in the Blender website, and you can just Google it and you will land in this page. You can download the version that is compatible with your operating system. I have Windows, so you see download for Windows. It's not a small file, it's around 318 megabytes. I have already downloaded it, so now let's move to installing it. Here's the Blender file. I'm just gonna click on it and I'm gonna run the file. So after running it, we'll have the welcome to the Blender setup wizard. I'm gonna click next. I'm not gonna change anything. I'm just gonna use the default installation. You need to accept the license agreement. Next, install. It's gonna take a couple of minutes to finish the installation. Now it's done, so I'm going to click on finish and let us start Blender. As you can see, I have an old version of Blender. It's 3.6, so what I just installed was Blender 4, so I'm gonna start it. So now this is a Blender fresh installation. I had already Blender 4, but I deleted it for the sake of this video. Usually when you download Blender, you will get the splash screen and it will ask you if you want to take the old setting from your old Blender version. But in my case now, because I had already Blender 4, So that's why it didn't ask me if I want to load the old setting from my older Blender version. So I'm just gonna click on General, and as you see, this is a Blender. What you see now is the default new Blender file. You can change it if you want, but it's okay for now. We can live with it as it is. In the next video, I'm gonna go over Blender interface and navigation, and I'm gonna guide you through these panels. It looks a bit complex, but we will try to make it easy for you to learn, and we will try to simplify everything in this course. If you have any question, please leave a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.